Hi guys, welcome to How Tama Raw. We are trying out an application Screen-O-Matic for our video today, and I'm going to teach you how to use FEU website and its Prof evaluation function. First, let's go to the website feu.edu.ph. Upon entering the page, let us click these three horizontal bars in the upper left part. And this will lead us to the student portal, and we should log in. There, upon logging in, at the bottom right part, there is the student evaluation of faculty. So upon clicking this, it will show us the names of our professors. So just click the names and feel free to appreciate our professors. So mine is already done and I hope you will do your part too. That's all for today, Tams, and laging tatandaan, ang tama raw, may alam at may pakialam. Thank you!